Pranav Mir. He's Senior Technical Analyst, Mangal Keshav Securities, and he joins us live on the show as well. Pranav, hi, welcome. We've spoken about the agro space, but how is the non-agro space looking to you, especially the base metal prices, which have shown a very surprise up move in the last couple of sessions now?
All the metals have been trading positively, right from copper to zinc to nickel. Each base metal has gained more than 5% last week, and still the trend has remained positive, and we maintain a positive view till the support levels are holding in these metals. And all metals, including gold and silver, everything is rallying on one expectation that Fed will bring in stimulus very soon. So we need to wait for the Thursday, the outcome of Fed meeting, to see how the base metals react to those. If we don't get any indication of the further stimulus from Fed, we might see a correction. Otherwise, this further rally is expected to continue for the higher levels.
Pranav, what's your sense coming in for the crude prices as well? Because after a very strong rally for last couple of months, September actually has been a month of consolidation. From these current prices, what's your strategy?
At current prices, what we are advising is just to play intraday or giving a couple of days view. Although every commodity has reacted to the last week's ECB news and an expectation of stimulus from Fed, but the crude is the only commodity which has not reacted much to this couple of news. And I feel crude prices will trade between 4250 and 5450 levels. So in between this 200, the prices are expected to consolidate in the near term.
Pranav, also the silver prices have clearly outperformed the precious metal space. 7% of gains coming in the previous week for silver vis-a-vis 3% of gains for gold. What's your sense coming in for this week and the near term now?
For this week, I see silver prices gaining maximum upside is till 65,500. Looking at the technical charts, silver holds very strong resistance around 65,550 levels. So until unless this level is breached, I don't expect silver to go more bullish in this level. So for intraday trader or for a trader who is looking for a weekly view, he can definitely buy on dips targeting levels of 65,500. That is the maximum, and I advise profit booking around those levels. And taking gold into account, gold has already rallied towards 1750 in the international market. In the Indian market, we have seen gold scaling to 32,000 highs. What I see is we might get a small dip before prices again rally on the higher side. For intraday, for a day or two, one can take sell positions which stop about 32,050. Otherwise, if somebody is looking for a long-term perspective, you can definitely buy on dips and add in very small quantities if prices decline further. So for longer term, we maintain a bullish view on gold and silver both. But for intraday trades or couple of days, we might see a small correction in prices.
A quick question, Pranav, because many people in the international markets are now saying that you have seen the crude prices rally and then you have seen the precious metals prices rally as well, and perhaps this is the time that the base metals will surprise you on the higher side. Is that how it looks on the charts?
Yes, definitely base metal. If we take the Indian charts into perspective, we have seen prices are moving very close to its lifetime high, that is around 466, 67. But if we check the LME prices, it has been trading around 8,500 levels currently, copper. So what I don't expect it to go to scale to at least a new high unless and until if there is any kind of money supply which comes into the market. What I feel this time is that the money supply which will be introduced by the Fed and the other central banks should go into the economy for the economic development and rather less into the speculative or investment purpose.
All right, Pranav, we'll let you go at that. Thank you so much for joining us. So all buy calls coming in from Mangal Keshav for the intraday market today, whether it's gold, silver, precious metals, base metals or energy sector for the intraday day.